Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week. Oh boy, we get to put into practice all of the wonderful things that we've been playing with this month. And do we have some wonderful materials this month? Don't you know? You've probably got a whole bunch of experiences that you've been collecting. Oh, I can't wait to hear what Victoria has in mind for us in this Monday Compass Tease.
Well, it has been quite a month already, and I can't believe that we're at the end of it practically. So I'm not going to give too much away because this is our writing week. So obviously we're going to be writing. But I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips to use either with things you've collected over the month if you're participating in the experience challenge, or if you just have some of those little thoughts or notes or writing ideas sitting around. Either way, we're going to get into how to use those so that you can turn them from little bits and tidbits into maybe zero draft material. So come back tomorrow and we'll talk about how to get that done.
Oh boy, that sounds fantastic because that's going to dovetail beautifully with my writing assignment for you, which again, I'm not going to give away the spoilers, but last week we talked about how to really tell the difference between the various positions on the character profile diagram. I suspect that those positions are going to help you create some of those little bits Victoria is going to glue together. So come on back tomorrow and see what we've got in mind for writing week. See you then. Bye-bye.